Hello everyone, thanks for joining me in the studio today. I am going to be working on a panel that has some collage already embedded into the piece of work, but I am also going to add a little bit of gold leaf. And what I am using today is the imitation gold leaf. It works great. And it isn't quite as expensive as the real genuine gold leafing, which you could also purchase if you choose to. This just adds a beautiful metallic glitz to certain pieces of work that you think you might want to add something like this. It gives it a look of a very rich and luxurious texture. It's just a beautiful addition to certain pieces of your artwork. The adhesive that I use to apply the gold leaf is just your clear cold wax that I will show you how to put down and lay the gold foil on top of. So check with your local art supply sources or your online art supply sources for many different brands. It also comes in copper and silver and a variegated leafing. Using any type of metallic in your painting, I also sometimes will add metallic oil paint. This is a rich gold and a copper, and once again it comes in many different brands for those added touches of a glitz to some of your work. And I also enjoy using the R&F oil pigment sticks in metallic. This is an iridescent gold, and they can add just a beautiful extra touch to certain pieces of work. So let's paint. The gold leafing that I put a clear coat of cold wax down, put the gold leaf on top, and then used a piece of newsprint and braided it into the piece. And it's very fly away, so if you touch it, you can break it apart if that is the effect that you are seeking, which I like the broken effect of that. And I came back in with some of the iridescent gold pigment stick and made just a few marks and touches so that that metallic feeling is showing up in different pieces of the work. And it is just an added thing that you have in your arsenal of techniques and fun things to do to your paintings that may add that little extra spark to a certain piece of work. So thanks for joining me today, and until next time.